Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to use masking technique to create a hole in the video so you can layer video so that you can be in a video with yourself. Of course, this technique can be used in a lot of different ways to mask out things, to add things, to layer things. So it just really depends on how you use your creativity. Keep in mind, I'm just going to show you how to mask. I'm not going to worry about lining up the audio or anything. I'm just showing you how to use the mask and how to draw the dots. Okay? Hope you enjoy. Okay, guys, here's how you do the picture-in-a-picture using mask technique. So basically, what I have here is a clip from the video that I already put in, and you can see as I move across this that first I'm over here, sitting in the chair with the terrible coat, and then I change my costume, and I come over here, and then I sit over here. And then I did that. So what I'm going to first do is kind of recognize that this is the first part, and I'm going to kind of trim back a little bit so I get a bit of my, dead video there. And then I'm going to kind of come up, and you can kind of see this is when I get up. So I'm going to cut this. All right. And then I'm going to move over here. You can see that I changed my costume, and I move my props. And then I got over here someplace, and I'm going to cut it here. I'm not going to care about this piece in the middle. Okay? And I want to put one layer on top of the other, so it doesn't really matter, but I'll put this one underneath. Okay? Let's zoom in a little bit over here so you can kind of see it a little bit closer. And so right now you can see I'm talking. Let's just play it. So obviously it's not lined up very much right now, and I'm not going to worry about that too much. I'm not going to worry about the audio. I'm really just trying to show you the masking technique. So what I want to do now is I want to basically get me out of this, okay? This space over here, out of here, so you can see the lower version of me with the green hat, okay? So I'm going to start with the mask technique, which is called draw mask. I'm going to take draw mask, and I'm going to drag it over here and put it on the top. And you can see now that when I click this on, it tells me to click to add a control point. So I'm first going to click one here, and then I'm going to click one here, and I'm going to click one here, and here, 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 and then I'm going to connect here. I did a little bit more than just a square. I did a few extra points, and you'll see why in a minute. Okay, now what it did is it did the reverse of what I want. So I'm going to come over here to my clip, and instead of it this way, you can see that if I click on here, it's taking out the wrong side. I want to leave the other side, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit invert mask. So now I'm in there with myself. Okay? Notice I left myself enough room, so if my arm movements are too much, that I'm not cutting off my fingers at all. If I realized that I could move these dots over to create more of a space, but then you can see here that the stack didn't line up exactly because I put props there. Chances are nobody would notice that anyway, so I'm not going to worry about it. Even these dots up here, I could always move up and out. Okay? That's a real simple way of doing masking and creating a hole with layers. We could do this with a lot of different kinds of things, and hopefully this helps with some creativity.